Why did 100% of Sultan Mahmud II's servants carry umbrellas? Because their boss absolutely refused to let a single raindrop touch him. Talk about royal priorities. Sultan Mahmud I wasn't your average Ottoman emperor. He had a royal phobia of rain. His solution? Commission 1,000 custom umbrellas, all perfectly matched, and assign them to his personal servants. Whenever the skies even hinted at drizzle, squads of umbrella bearers would form a human shield, opening their ornate canopies in perfect sync. Travelers described it as a floating forest of silk, gliding through the palace gardens. So next time you dodge a puddle, remember, power isn't just about armies. It's about staying dry no matter the storm. Love quirky rulers and royal excess? Hit subscribe for more historical oddities.